Reed. Welcome to episode 3 of our 5-part series on helping your partner with pain using the massage gun. Today we're going to concentrate on the neck area, so let's go and see Sarah. So for exercise 1 we're going to concentrate on the upper traps. We're going to use the small ball head because I'm in control of it. And we're going to stick it on level 2, which isn't too much. You're going to get your partner's opposite ear to the shoulder, and then we're going to pop out the upper traps. We're just going to start around the mid traps. We're just going to work up near towards the area. Again, don't put much pressure on this. Let the massage gun do its work. We're going to concentrate here for about 30 seconds, just up and down, just running a little bit into the mid traps, but then running into the upper traps here. This will help really the lateral side of the neck free up. Now we're going to move on to exercise 2. So this is exercise 2 of our partner neck pain series, and we're going to use the fork head. We're going to keep it on the low setting of 1, and we're just going to let the massage gun do all the work. We're going to run from the top of the upper traps into the occipitals, just below the atlas bone, and we're just going to nice and light go both sides of the vertebrae. Nice and easy. And only around 30 seconds on this. Just up and down, up and down. And this will really help loosen the back of the neck. I'm going to move on to exercise 3 now. This is exercise 3 of our partner pain neck series. We're going to use the flat head on the levator scapula, and we're going to set it at a setting of 3. We're going to start at the superior border, so the top border of the shoulder blade. We're going to stay in there, and we're just going to work up just below the upper traps. That's as far as we need to go. I'm going to spend about 30 seconds on this. And with anything, if your partner feels any really tight spots, you can stay on that for 10 to 15 seconds. So that's all 3 exercises done for neck pain. So that's 3 fantastic areas we've done on neck pain for your partner that you can do if there's any discomfort or pain. As always, if there's any persistent pain with your partner around the neck, always seek medical advice.